Hello mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Wow! Dunbell's How to Spot a Red Flag kabilang sa list ng Trend Rides Top 40 Best Shows in Philippines. Grabe na talaga itong ating Don Bell. Panibagong achievements na naman. Ang How to Spot a Red Flag ng Don Bell, isang romantic comedy series ng View ay nakasama sa listahan nga ng Top 40 Best Shows in the country. Ito ay base sa ranking ng Trend Rods, an independent news site. Grabe na talaga itong Don Bell. Mas lalo lang nila pinatunayan na sila nga ang phenomenal love team na kahit sa last quarter na ng 2024 nag-start ang kanilang series. To be exact, November 2024 at ongoing pa lang at only exclusive sa View at di pa napapanood sa Free TV ay napasama ng kanilang show sa Top 40 at pang-11 na ito. Grabe na talaga itong ating Don Bell mga kababs. At ayon nga dito sa trendrodswordpress.com, ito ang kanilang honest take. Red Flag is one of those chill and laid-back dramas that you could watch to loosen up after a tiring day. Its story, while could be described as the usual rom-com, by some is a refreshing sight for Donnie and Belle for a last scene in the romantic mystery series Can't Buy Me Love. The fact that HTS ARV is an ongoing series while barely having any physical promos reach this kind of success is truly a testimony how much audience magnet Don Bell are. Their impact is really something. Ayon pa dito, and that's another wow, this really proves how much good How to Spot a Red Flag is to achieve this kind of success while being a less than 2-month-old series. And a reflection on how people craves for Don Bell's comeback after CBML, they are so waited and loved. Kaya naman congratulations Don Bell at sa lahat nga ng bumubuo ng How to Spot a Red Flag. Yan naman ang pa-update natin ngayon mga kababs. Hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na panonood.